I'm not good at teaching people how to use Premiere, but if you use Premiere, raise your hand. Okay. Do you know about these two things? Keep your hand up. Okay, so a bunch of people don't really use them, so that's good. So there's a couple quick things to just show in. I don't even really need to show you. You should probably just go to YouTube and look it up. But if you have a long interview or a lecture or something, you can just open up Premiere. I think this is from a project I worked on with Todd. He asked me for a soundbite. And you can go to workspaces under window and go to text-based editing. Okay, and now you have this time. Here's your timeline, right? This is one of our wonderful neurosurgeons talking, but maybe you only want half of this. So you can just go to the text thing here and go like this and delete it, and now you only have half. It's extremely fast. If you have a long interview, which I don't have loaded up, it'll automatically transcribe it. Takes a little bit of time, and then you could actually search for the word treatment. Okay, he says treatment twice. Do you want to go to the first part of treatment or the second part of treatment? And your cursor goes right to it. So even when you click on the word, you can find the part of the interview that you need and cut it anyway. That's super helpful. The other tool is, I'm going to go back to Pete space OOC, and I'm going to drag some music here. And as you can see, the music is long. But if you look at this little tricky little tool here, it's hidden under this one. I don't know what that's called, but it's called the remix tool. You can find it in search, or you can also right click it. And now you have this little music note tool, and you can just shorten it up, and it's remixing it. So so it lasts. Oh my God, this is going to be the worst music you've ever heard.
One wonderful thing about CSF has been the way that we are able to merge clinical treatment with investigational treatment and investigational brain recordings. And we have research committees that take this seriously.
There you go. It's just quicker and easier than moving all and redoing your whole cut. You can do the remix tool, and then you can kind of unremix it. And you right click it, it's in there here, and it says disable. Also, does everyone else have the same problem where you're like, the music is always way too loud and you have to go to audio gain and do this? It's just a thing that everyone else does? Yes, some people. Okay, good, I'm not alone.
Treatment with...
Yeah, so now it's way lower. So that's another little bonus tip. Okay, that's all. I think, is there more? Is there more?
I've got one more quick one I was going to show. Okay. But thank you, Pete. Now we officially can't post this on YouTube.
Oh, sorry about that. No,
just joking.
I think that was previous.
I'm joking.